Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to cast your computer screen on TV. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Select Cast. Click on the Sources drop-down menu and select Cast Desktop. Now choose the Chromecast device where you want to cast the screen. That's it. Whole desktop screen is now displayed on your TV. This is how you can cast your computer screen on TV. Thank you for watching.